Yo, it's Alfarel Heart, heart, just for you because I love you guys. Yeet. So in today's video, I'll be doing a little bit of unboxing of the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. Ta-da! I'm really glad that this Apple bag is made out of paper, so this is recyclable. So yeah, here it is. This is for the iPad Pro 11-inch to be exact. Honestly, this feels a little bit heavy, and they said that I could return this before 14 days after purchase. Just in case if I don't like it, I might return this, but I might not return it anytime soon because I really need this for productivity purposes, and this is it. This has a magic trackpad and the keyboard itself, and I bought the AZERTY version, not the QWERTY version. So this is pretty much the French version. There's the accent, there's all the things that I need, especially if you study in French university. But other than that, let's just unbox this thing. Yes. Alrighty, so here it is. I'm setting this up just like this, and so I'm setting this up on my bed, and right now we'll unbox the iPad Magic Keyboard. Ooh. Oh yes. Could you hear it? Yes. Okay, so we have, it says Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway. Oh, in the USA. That's cool. Alright. Ooh. Here's an instruction designed by Apple in California. Okay. I like the smell. It smells expensive. Do you have Apple stickers? Oh no, we don't. So this is pretty much that. All the labels and stuff. Ooh. People say they hate the material because it's not dust free. Ooh, I do feel like it. This is very sturdy. Ooh, I like this material here. But then again, yeah, I feel like this can get dirt quite easily. So that's a sad part. But I do really like the smell when you freaking open it. Like, it's so hard to describe. People say the trackpad is so satisfying but also small at the same time. So as you can see, this is the AZERTY version looks like. It comes with the accents like I said. Wow. I think like if you scratch this, it's game over. So let's just connect this thing right now. Wait, let's just put that thing aside. So here is my iPad. Ta-da! Let's put this thing. It's connected automatically, so you don't need to turn on Bluetooth. Wow, that's pretty quick. So there's light coming through the keyboard, which I kind of like, especially when you're in the dark environment. It felt really smooth. Do you have to click it? Oh yeah, you do. 3 fingers to 2 fingers to swipe up, I guess. I have to learn about the trackpad because I'm not sure how to use this. How about let's play TikTok here. Unfortunately, if you wanna watch TikTok, you have to turn it upside down like this, which I don't like. I kind of like the viewing angle so far. Like, this is enough. in my opinion, and I think this just makes the workflow much more simpler. Alright you guys, so far I'm really liking it. It just looks futuristic if you look at from the side. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, there's a connector here. This is for charging. So you have like 2 USB ports, so you could use this for charging and then the other one for connecting micro SD and stuff like that. I have to test this a little bit more, so I'm gonna make like a review soon whether this is worth it or not. I mean, there's a lot of future videos out there, but might have a different opinion about it, so stay tuned for that. Or maybe I'll be posting a video of what's on my iPad while talking about this magic keyboard, so if you want to see that, stay tuned for that. It automatically lights up when it's in a dark environment, so you don't have to worry about that, but at the same time, like, you cannot like adjust it the way you want, so that's like a bad thing for some people, but honestly I don't really mind. And there's no function keys, unfortunately, so you have to swipe down from control center to up the brightness and stuff like that. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing experience, even though it wasn't professional. I'm really sorry, you guys. I have to study with this only. I don't have a laptop, let me tell you that. Yo, make sure you hit the like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more updates related to this and other cool, fun, entertaining videos, obviously. So yes, and comment down below if you are planning to get this or if you already have it, and let me know your experience. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye, take care. Mwah.